In the silent darkness of the Viking village, a nightmare suddenly descended. Hellfire from the beast's maw incinerated every rooftop, but from the shadows, a hero emerged, Kratos, the great warrior. A cataclysmic battle erupted, raging for 5 days and 5 nights, where blood and fire intertwined. And when the dragon fell with its final roar, Kratos, the immortal hero, also fell, leaving behind a glorious legacy forever etched into legend.
This video was made using a workflow running on my laptop. Pretty cool, right? Hey there, I'm So Tai. AI tools are being updated every single day, and now we've reached a point where we can create blockbuster movies with just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using AI completely for free, and all of it can run right on your own computer. No more beating around the bush. Let's jump in and get started. Let me introduce you to an awesome model called Wan 2.1. Yep, you heard that right. This is a brand new release from Alibaba, and it's seriously impressive. It can generate both videos and images straight from text or images you provide. And get this, the videos it creates can go all the way up to HD resolution with amazing consistency and detail. Now, here's the best part. Unlike a lot of other video generation models out there, Wan 2.1 is open source. That means you can totally download it, set it up on your own computer, and use it for free. How cool is that? Plus, when it comes to quality, Wan is holding its own and even outperforming some of its competitors in a bunch of areas. If you want to dive deeper into the details, I highly recommend checking out Wan's official homepage. Tons of great info there. Alright guys, let's dive into how you can actually use Wan 2.1. Now I'm going to walk you through how to install Wan 2.1. Here's the GitHub link for the model. The author has listed several installation methods, but I'll show you the easiest one using ComfyUI. If you're not sure how to set it up, check out my previous videos on the Flux model here to learn how to install it and generate images properly as input for the Wan 2.1 model. Once you've got ComfyUI up and running and you're on the starting interface, here's the next step. Let's make sure you're using the latest version of ComfyUI. It's super easy. Just click on the Manager button and then hit Update ComfyUI. This will ensure you're running the most recent version. Oh, and a quick heads up. Double check that your ComfyUI version is higher than 0.3.18. Okay? That way you'll have all the latest features and avoid any potential hiccups. Now, you need to load the Wan 2.1 workflow by dragging the image link I've placed in the description below. Let's take a look at the workflow here. As you can see, similar to the Flux model from the previous video, Wan 2.1 is also a transformer diffusion model. This model uses a diffusion process here, employs clip T5 to encode the prompt, and a VAE model to decode the latent representation to generate the video. One slight difference is that Wan 2.1 allows you to input image information using the clip vision model, which helps the model understand the initial frame you want and then creatively generate the subsequent frames based on the prompt you provide. This is really important because it makes it easier for you to shape the generated video, especially since the performance of text-to-video solutions is still somewhat limited. You'll also need to download the model weights and place them in the corresponding locations as shown here. I'll include the download link in the video description below. Here, we'll test the model at 480p. And I'll tweak the workflow a bit by using a node called Video Combine, so we can save the generated video in MP4 format. The frame rate will be set to 16. Alright, now let's click the Q button to generate the video and see the results. In the prompt section, I'll describe the image and add the keyword turn around to make the character move. Yeah, done. Let's take a look at the input image. Wow, the results are really impressive. The character rotates smoothly while the clothing and background remain stable. The workflow is functioning perfectly. In this sample, the action turnaround seems pretty simple, so now I'm going to challenge the model with a more complex motion scenario and a higher resolution. I'll use the 720p model to test this challenge. For the workflow, we need to remove this node as suggested by the author. For the start frame, I'll use a real person image. The motion scenario will include the keywords play, fireworks, and smile. Let's adjust the resolution to HD size, 768 by 768. Now, hit Q and let's see what happens. See? That's incredible. The model aced the challenge, generating a video with motions that match my prompt perfectly, all in HD resolution. Another key thing to note is that the girl in the original image retains her identity and outfit throughout the video, which is a huge plus. This ensures stability in AI-generated long videos, making them more reliable and consistent. Alright, so I've just walked you through how to set up Wan 2.1, allowing you to create short videos from a single image for free and with ease. However, the workflow still has some challenges like high GPU VRAM requirements, long rendering times, and some quality issues. Due to video length limits, I'll be sharing tips and tricks to improve these issues in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified as soon as I upload. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll be happy to answer. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Goodbye.